Hi Damian.
Hello, hello.
Are you up for a refreshing drink?
Something cool and refreshing, summery-like. I can see you've got ice and things here, so yes.
Yeah, so this time we're stepping away from the hot drink. So we're going with something refreshing.
Okay.
Actually, it's not really a coffee drink either because we're using a Cascara syrup. So we're staying away from the espresso machine too.
But with Cascara, so we're still coffee themed here.
Exactly. So Cascara is actually the dried pulp or the dried fruit flesh of a coffee cherry.
Yeah.
So what we've done is we've made a syrup out of this Cascara. So
Okay.
dried Cascara, 50 grams, add 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of water, put it in a pan, bring it to a boil, let it simmer for 3 minutes, and then strain it and cool it.
Okay, so we're just pulling that flavor from the Cascara. So rather than being that coffee flavor we're used to, we're going more the fruity side of the coffee. So
Exactly.
we're taking that fruitiness in here. Okay.
It's a simple syrup infused with these Cascara notes, and that brings in this fresh, fruity flavor, which combines really well with the marzipan notes of the almond. We're not going to use that much of the almond, just a tad, to bring in mainly the aroma. So we're playing with the aroma of the almonds, maybe a little bit of mouthfeel, but it's not going to be a very creamy drink.
So not so overpowering, more refreshing. I see we're going to be topping with
Sparkling water
sparkling water, okay.
and a slice of lemon.
That's
So
juicy.
let's start by filling the glass with ice cubes, because obviously we want to have a refreshing drink. If it's really hot outside, I definitely recommend to pre-chill your glass with ice before you actually start preparing the drink, because then it will stay cooler even longer. There we are. Next up, we add the Cascara syrup, 15 milliliters. There we go.
Okay.
Then 50 milliliters, so 50.
Okay, so not so much. It really is
Nope.
just giving a little touch of that.
Just a tad. There we go. And then we're topping it up.
Just an easy build and very simple, of course.
Sparkling water. There we go. Now, as you can see, the Cascara syrup stays down, so you can give it a really light stir, not too much because you don't want that fizziness to disappear. So really pull that syrup from the bottom up. Just 3 stirs should be enough. And then,
just
yeah,
slice the
wonderful.
lemon
You're
for you,
already
so.
cutting that lemon.
So I'm just going to put it through there, and we're just going to decorate on the side.
Finishing touch. Oh,
finishing
this is a great
touch.
lemon. Can you smell that?
You can feel the aroma coming out of there. Oh, you go, sit in there for me, will you? Okay.
There we go.
Fresh, summery.
Cascara Fizz.
Oh, coffee, no coffee. I
Give
like
it a try.
Let's have a look here. Oh, that is fresh, isn't it?
Nice. So if you're not in a position to get any Cascara, you can use blueberries as well, because they
Fresh blueberries or just
fresh blueberries. Yeah,
Okay.
make that same simple syrup, but then instead of Cascara, use blueberries. In that case, you'll still get that, strong, fruity.
Maybe that colour will come through from the bottom, a little more interesting as well.
Exactly. So it's not exactly a coffee drink, but still refreshing.
Okay, well done. I like this one.